do for that? That means now having to take the initiative. And your vision board, something always overlaps with something else. I want to look different, but now the money, what am I going to do to look different? Because ideally, I can't just wake up and say, yeah, difference hit me now, you know? Is it now linking to what I also put on my vision board when I said that I want to be more so into my work, or I want to start a business? And in starting a business, how do I then make my money? Am I saving this money? Am I spending this money recklessly? What am I doing? So your vision board is also kind of like a shoestring pin, right? Everything links to each other. So just